Side Effects is a proud partner of Xglobal. If you are someone who hates waiting long, like 5 days to 4 working days, for your withdrawal to arrive, then look no further. As Xglobal offers instant withdrawals, this means that if you put in a withdrawal request, your money will reflect the same day. Xglobal is also under the conduct by the FSCA and the FSP number 51306. As a partner of Xglobal, I will be initiating amazing events, competition and exclusive events where you and a friend can go to some amazing place.
And I know it's a challenge for my competitors.
Xglobal also has the best spread and 0 commission on all trades you take. I forgot to mention, if you have any problems with the company, they have a 24/7 customer line and they will get back to you immediately. Sign up under my link, and if you make a deposit of 500 Rand, they will give you 50% in credit to trade with. The link is in the description down below.
So the first one is obviously the one of candlesticks. Before I start my brief where I highlight the important candlesticks, is there any questions you'd like to ask me?
Yeah, first it was about the ones that I saw for the candlesticks. It was self-explanatory. I tried to run a few. Even I was thinking if I can get a PDF or something so that I can print, so that I can be remembering when I look in the office or back in my mind again.
I have on the app. Let me show you. The pictures are there on the app or on the website. On the app or website.
Okay, website. Yeah, okay.
Our website. Let me just launch. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I'm able to. Oh yeah.
All right, there we go.
Okay.
This is where you registered, right? Then you come to menu.
Yeah.
Then you come to beginner picture lessons.
Okay.
Then you're going to find all
Oh,
that I'm using in the.
Okay, sure, true. Yeah. That question is answered.
Right. Problem.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So now, when it comes to the candlesticks,
Yeah.
I'm going to highlight the important ones. We have the pin bar. There we go.
Yeah.
Pin bar or hammer.
Yeah.
Let me call it in another way. We have the inverted one, the inverted pin bar. That's the inverted pin bar or hammer. Then we have the hanging man. Now the difference between the pin bar and the hanging man is market direction.
Oh, market direction.
If the market was coming down here and it find a pin bar there, then the market will go up.
Okay.
With the hanging man, it's when the market is coming up and we find the hanging man at the same level, then the market will go down. Even though they may look the same, the market direction is what influence the characteristics of the candlestick.
Yes.
And the name of the candlestick. The other one that we have is a doji.
A doji, yeah.
The one of doji, the name is universal. I've never heard any other name. This one sometimes they are calling morning or evening stars. So when it comes to the doji, we use it into two formats. So with the doji, you'll find a scenario where the market is coming down,
Okay.
found that a significant level.
Yeah.
We get the doji right here. Here we go. Then when the market is there, when we get the doji right there, it reverses the market.
Okay.
It's at the reversal zone. But the other function of the doji is when the market is going down, instead of the pattern being on top of the resistance, it becomes below. And this works as a confirmation for continuation.
Oh, okay. Below the resistance level.
Below the resistance level. The other one we have is spinning top, which works the same functions as the doji, but very good with reversals. The spinning top is like a doji but with a body. The doji is all shadows.
It has equal shadows.
The doji is made out of shadows. There's no body.
Oh, no body. Okay.
So this one is the one that has. Then, when it comes to other candlesticks, they need to have partners in order for them to have an effect or strength, like the engulfing bar, where you find this bearish candle being engulfed by this bull. The sizes do not matter in the engulfing bar. Sometimes you may find a situation where bullish candle like that, and it becomes engulfed by a bearish one, just like. But the sizes do not matter of that. So we know the market is going up, that engulfing by the significant level, it will
Go down. Yeah. This one, the first one, it will go up,
The first one, it will go up.
Okay. Engulfing bar.
Engulfing bar.
Okay.
The second one we have is the inside bar, which is this the opposite of engulfing bar. The inside bar, we find the parent candle, followed by a small candle. Engulfing bar is small candle followed by a candle. With this one, normally parent candle followed by a small candle. Then within that,
Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, no, somebody was just making noise. I was just reprimanding them.
Inside bar.
That is the inside bar.
Yeah.
So normally we mark the top and the bottom. After the bar, just like that. Then if we get a break to the downside, breaking candle, confirmation candle, so we normally enter the third candle.
Okay.
So we inside bars, they are also good with continuations as well. And the market coming down, then we get an inside bar. Once it breaks, then we know the market is moving all the way down. So when it comes to the inside bar, it can also be used reversal as well, where you just find that, then you find the three rising soldiers.
Three?
Then you know
Three?
Three rising soldiers.
Three rising soldiers.
It can be any, but the typical scenario will be three rising soldier, but it can be any candle.
It has broken that blue line,
Then it's broken the part by inside bar, then we know it's going up.
Yeah.
Then the other one is the railway or the twin bars. One is the railway or the twin bar. Railway, just like that. They are more or less look the same.
Okay.
That, so if market, let's say, was coming down, at that movements to go all the way. Market will go up.
Okay.
Provided that it's happening at a significant level. So that's how that is it, man. When it comes to the candlestick.
Candlesticks, Awesome. I've really understood a lot of things. That recap was very important.
Yes, very, very.
I really appreciate everything, sir.
No problem. So I'll see you tomorrow, maybe at around 4 a.m. South African time. But those ones are just live analysis.
Yeah.
4 a.m. and 10.
Yeah.
10 a.m. Let me see. Can we do our next live?